Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about factoring general trinomials where the leading coefficient a is greater than 1. And in this, we are going to use the AC method. Let's try to factor out 3x squared plus 11x plus c. So first, i-identify muna natin yung value ng ating a, b, and c. A equals 3, b equals 11, and c equals 6. We are going to use the AC method. So when we say AC, we are just going to multiply the value of A and C. So AC is equal to 3 times 6. And 3 times 6 is 18. So dito tayo ngayon magsisimula kay 18. We have to list down all the factors of 18. Wherein kapag inad natin yung pair of factors niya, the answer will be equal to the value of B, which is 11. Factors of 18. And then, i-check out natin yung kanyang sum. 1 and 18. So, 1 times 18 is 18. And the sum is 19. So, hindi siya. Next, we have 2 and 9. 2 times 9 is 18. And when we add this 2, the answer is 11. So, the same with our value for B. So, ito yung hinahanap nating pair of factor. What we're going to do is to rewrite the given. Let's have the given 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. And then itong 11x, i-break down natin siya into these factors na nakita natin. Okay? So, 3 and 6 yung magkabilang dulo niya. So, let's say we have 3x squared. Yung 11x ay i-breakdown ko sa 2 and 9. So, let's say dito ko ilalagay yung 9x plus 2x plus 6. Pwede naman magkapalit yung pwesto ni 9 and 2. Depende na lang sa pagkaka-arrange natin. So, let's say dito we are going to have this group and this group. Now, 3x squared plus 9x, kapag finactor out natin yung greatest common factor dyan, yung common monomial factor, we can actually factor out 3 and x. Tapos may iwan sa loob is x plus 3. Then, on our second group or second part here, 2x plus 6, we can actually factor out 2 and then leaving us with x plus 3. So, as you can see, meron tayong common dyan. We have here x plus 3. Okay, and then i-collect natin itong pinactor out natin na 3x and 2. So, our final answer will be 3x plus 2. That's the first binomial. And then, yung common na x plus 3. Yan. So, the factor of 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 2 and x plus 3. You can check if our answer is correct by doing the FOIL method on our factors. Example number 2, let's try to factor out 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. In here, we have the value of a equal to 3, b is equal to negative 8, and c equals negative 3. So, we get the product of a and c, that is 3 times negative 3. And 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 9. So, next thing is for us to list down all the factors of negative 9. Inad natin will give us the sum of negative 8. So, what are those factors? So, let's try negative 9 times positive 1. That will give us negative 9 as a product. Pero kapag kinuha natin yung sum niyan ng negative 9 plus 1, the answer is negative 8. So therefore, first trial natin, we have this pair of factors na gagamitin natin. So how are we going to do that? Write the given, 3x squared minus 8x minus 3. Break down natin yung negative 8x into negative 9x plus x. When we combine these two, this is still the same as negative 8x minus 3. And then, i-group natin siya into two groups. Alright? So, the first group is 3x squared minus 9x. Ano ang pwede natin i-factor out? We can actually factor out 3x. Matitira sa loob ng parenthesis is x minus 3. Plus, this binomial is already in its simplest form, pero alam natin na sa labas niyan, we actually have positive 1, x minus 3. We get the common, x minus 3, and then collect these parts. So we have 3x plus 1 and x minus 3. So the factor of 3x squared minus 8x minus 3 is 3x plus 1 times x minus 3. Again, you can check your answer if it is correct by multiplying the binomials using FOIL method. Let's try to factor out another example. Let's have 10x squared plus 9x minus 9. So, identify natin yung value ng ating A, B, and C. So, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 9, and C is equal to negative 9. So, let's get the product of A and C, and that is 10 times negative 9, which will give us negative 90. So, now we are going to list down all the factors of negative 19. Yung pares ng factor niya na kailangan natin should give us a sum of positive 9 times negative 9. So, ito yung mga factors. Dito natin ililista yung factors of negative 90. And dito natin i-check yung sum. So, 10 times negative 9 is negative 90. But when we get the sum is just 1. So, hindi siya yung hinahanap natin. So, 30 and negative 3 will give us a product of negative 90. But when we add, kapag kinuha natin yung sum ng factors niya, the sum is equal to 27. So, this is not the one we are looking for. Let's try 15 and negative 6. 15 times negative 6 is negative 90. And when we add the factors, 15 plus negative 6, that will give us the sum of 9. And ito hinahanap natin na kaparehas ng value ng ating B. So, we are going to use the pair of factors 15 and negative 6. So, what's the next step? We write the given. 10x squared plus 9x minus 9. I-rewrite natin siya wherein we are going to break down 9x into 2. So, that 10x squared plus 15x minus 6x minus 9. Okay, now, igugrupo natin siya sa dalawa. The 10x squared and 15x at saka itong negative 6x minus 9. So, dahil ginupo natin siya sa dalawa, may plus yan dyan sa gitna. So, that is 10x squared plus 15x. Ano yung pwede nating i-factor out? We can actually factor out 5 and x. Ang matitira sa loob is 2x plus 3. Plus, we have negative 6x. Lagyan natin ang plus dito. Negative 6x and negative 9. We can actually factor out a negative 3. Sige, pinactor out ko si negative 3, which will give us, ang natira sa loob niya is 2x plus 3. So, etong dalawang sign na to will now become minus. So, that is 5x minus 3. And then, we have the common factor 2x plus 3. 3. Okay? So, our answer will be 10x squared plus 9x minus 9 is equal to 5x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. Again, you can check your answer if it's correct by multiplying the binomials using FOIL method. And that's it. Thank you.